Hello, Victor here again, restoringmercedes.com. This is the second part for Auggie in New Jersey. Okay, Auggie, so here is your control module here. Actually, today I drove this car about 30 miles. Works perfect. And just want to show you operation. When module is in the vehicle, you can see RPMs, you can see throttles and everything. So, and actually I'm going to install my module that was in this vehicle. It's a little older module, but that's what I have in it for now. Okay, so first things first, put on the ignition. When we have ignition on, we have both throttles buzzing, just like on my bench test video. That's how they're supposed to do. Okay, so as you can see, they activate. Start the engine. Here's our RPMs. As you can see, perfect idle speed. Gonna wait for the air pump to shut off. It's a little loud. One of the blades is bad, so, or whatever, it doesn't matter. It's only for emissions. So just wait. Here it goes. So the pump is off. Acceleration. The engine is hot, so the fan is loud. But you can see I have an exhaust leak too, so yeah, it's too cold to fix it now. But we have working Egas now. And like I said, I drove 30 miles on it, no problems with it. Works just fine. Did a quick highway run. Off again, start it up. The engine cooled off a little bit, but still, you get the idea. We have perfect idle speed, and it's being tested on 140 chassis vehicle. That is also good because that's a 140 chassis Egas module. Ignition is back on once more. Throttles buzzing. Driver side, passenger side. That's learning process right now. Alright, so this is basically going to be all. So I showed you the video on a bench test, and here how it runs on the vehicle. And again, I drove 30 miles, no problems. This is Victor at restoringmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.